welcome. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are doing a room tour for our 2-bedroom villa in Rwanda, Kigali, right baby?
Yes.
Okay, come on with me. So
2-bedroom apartment.
2-bedroom apartment.
Don't exaggerate.
So this is the living space. Don't mind the best, yeah. This is me. You know, this was me just, yeah. But then this is the sitting area and the TV, yeah. And then this is the dining area where we never use. Any reason why? And my husband went shopping, so she got us some organic, very nice fruits, yeah.
Some very nice local fruits.
Some local fruits, very nice. And this is our spacious kitchen. I love the kitchen. This was the star of the show. So I did some cooking already. I ended up with the fridge, also full of local ingredients. So good. And then this is the cupboards. It have got like a lot of cupboards. We also got some local eggs. These are so yummy. Nice. Yeah, they look small, but you know, it's
really
the same.
Good.
These small things come in what? Small but mighty.
Okay.
Yeah, so these are the cupboards. There's like a lot of cupboards. I cannot even use all of them, but yeah.
And there's like the washing room.
Oh yeah,
like
yeah.
The washing room.
Oh, you can just come quickly. I've got a washing machine. Can you zoom in a little bit on it, baby? Yeah. I'm already doing some laundry. We removed the
carpet because of my allergy.
Yeah, the carpet, and then we just put it here because I didn't want it there. And then the ironing board
of the carpet.
And then there's another bathroom here. And yeah, this is the laundry room. And I forgot to show you that on the entrance. Or did you leave the door open? For somebody open? On the entrance there is another guest bathroom here. For the guests that we're not gonna have, are we gonna have guests?
Not really.
Highly doubt. Yeah, and this is the water dispenser.
Yeah, it's very good water also. The water for me is very good.
The water is very, very nice, yeah. And yeah, which room should we start? Mine?
Yeah. Ours? Yours?
Okay, this is the second bedroom. It have got like a lot of cupboards, yeah. I'm not gonna open all of them. Oh, there's even a safe here. I didn't know. I thought the safe was only on this other side. But there is a safe here, a TV and a phone. Very nice. As you can see, we've not been using the cupboard. This is the bed, so big. And the mirror for the OOTDs that we never do.
Okay.
This is my bag. Ask me why I have a big wardrobe, but my clothes are just hanging there. Anyway, this is my man.
Hello.
Mine.
I'm the cameraman today.
So here is the bathroom. It's also an insert. They've got a shower and the toilet here.
Yeah, look how beautiful.
Yeah. And then
Another
mirror. I love it. I love this mirror as well. Is it like the one to? Yes, it is.
Oh wow!
Oh wow! I'm only realizing this now. I can make some videos. This is also very nice. Let me switch that off. Follow me, my love. And just switch off the lights. And here is the first bedroom. The first bedroom also have like spacious cupboards that we're not using as well. I don't know why not. And here you have the bathroom. The light is off. Thank you, my man. And same thing. Okay, don't disappoint me. Okay, so nice and so spacious. Did we just wake up the baby now? So here we're going to speak so softly because our beautiful angel is sleeping on the bed. The mirror, the TV is over there. And this from my man. And the luggage is still here because, like I said, I don't want to pack and unpack as well. So we're just taking everything from the bag. And that's it, guys, for the rooms. Now I take you to the garden. Come with me.
The garden is one of my favorite. Garden is so nice.
So
I love a garden.
I already did the laundry. Oh my goodness. Yeah, big perks of being a mom. You have to be doing laundry.
And now look at this
And
view,
just
guys.
look at this view.
That's crazy. It's so beautiful. And then
So nice. I love the garden, and Mira is loving. You need to see Mira when I'm gonna put a short clip of Mira playing in the garden. You'll have to love it. And then I've got like a small sleeping chair where we can sit and just relax. Yeah, and I think this is all, guys. I don't know how many minutes that is.
6.
Go back a little bit. Oh yeah, so guys, I'll be so doomed to not tell you where we are. So we are in Kigali in Rwanda. Yeah, and the apartments are called White Stones. It was written in the first pillows. The thing is, they just changed the pillows now, and the bedding they just cleaned. So the bedding was written White Stones Apartments. And yeah, I'm not sure how much they are for the room per day. If you want to know, you can just ask in the comment section, and then I can ask, because that's not my department. I don't have an idea. But yeah, we're gonna be staying here for some time, and yeah, we're only gonna leave this house only when it's booked, and then we move to another apartment in the same place that I've got a gym. It doesn't have a pool, but it have got a gym facility that is open 24 hours, which is nice. And also, like, you can get water from them, and cleaning is every day. So it is very, very nice, and we are liking the area. It is so safe, guys. If I say safe, I say I don't want to mention Zitarenyika, but Kwandogara safe. That's how safe it is. So we feel very, very lucky, and we gotta stay here for some time. Maybe okay, my gates are under, or what just happened? This have never happened before, by the way. Okay, maybe it was just a fault. It's back. Yeah, and watch out for more vlogs, because sis here is vlogging every single day. Hi guys, welcome back to another day in the vlog. So yeah, if you've reached this far, it means you've seen the apartment tour. So now, if I tell you that my man is so excited, he's like so happy, because all the natural organic ingredients and vegetables and meat that is always like looking hard for, he just like easily get it in the market. So yeah, he came back from the market, and I'm about to make some dinner. So let me just show you what he got, and let's cook together. So yeah, I got some bananas. I already ate half of them. Some oranges, oh, these are good, and some limes. And then this is the water. Found some water to use. And then the potatoes. Look at that, guys. They're like fresh from the garden. Is it a garden or the farm? And then he got some mango as well. He was eating the other ones in the afternoon. They were so ripe. He went and bought some more. And in here he got some onions. And here's an organic watermelon. This is so nice. Okay, so here in the kitchen, I want to make the potatoes kind of like chips, I don't cook with oil, so I'm just gonna blanch them. When they're almost half cooked, then I add some butter. I wish I had some raja. I like to add some raja curry, but yeah, I'm gonna have them like that. And for Mira, I'm gonna mix some carrots and some potatoes. I already like pumped some milk for her, so I'm gonna use her breast milk to blend the food. And that's the carrots, and that's my mango, and you got some more nice organic, can you see, some nice organic eggs, milk, cheese, and liver. And now we're about to have some beef. Yeah, and then you got this butter, guys, so good. Look at the ingredients. You only know something is good if it have got very less ingredients. It have got milk, fat, and common salt. I don't know if you can see. That's something good, guys. If you see something with like very less ingredients, it means it's very nice. Yeah, I was just peeling the stuff. Yeah, guys, I don't know how long we're gonna stay in Rwanda, but we're here now, and it's quite nice actually. We love it. We love the weather is so nice, the air. We love the nature. Oh wow, my baby's first time to see that much nature. She was so happy crawling outside in the lawn. So nice. So yeah, let me just cook and then I'll show you guys when I'm done, and then that'll be the end of today's vlog. We can start another one tomorrow. Oh yes, and I'm so excited because today I received, you remember, I don't know if did I say it? No, I didn't. But anyway, it's gonna be like a whole video of that. So just know that, guys, mukadona ndikumutima korokoto.
Tamasha in the desert sun, Maxine laughing in the crowded room, two strangers sharing one short ride, skyline shining, hearts in bloom. From Dubai to Mira, look how far you've come, in a world that kept on rushing. You were slowing into one. 8 months felt like forever in a single night. From a yes to a ring to your wedding white. From Dubai to Mira, your love turned into life. Tiny flat, late 19, talking dreams and old beliefs, promise whispered, trembling hands, one small box on bended knee. From Dubai to Mira, look how far you've come, in a world that kept on rushing. You were slowing into one. 8 months felt like forever in a single night. From a yes to a ring to your wedding white. From Dubai to Mira, your love turned into life. Then a crack cut through the silence. Little fingers, eyes so wide, gave her your own family stories, gave her all that sleepless pride. From Dubai to Mira, look how far you've come. Two hearts at an altar, now a family of one. 8 months to a lifetime in a single night. From a promise in the city to a lullaby light. From Dubai to Mira, your love turned into life. Marsha in the desert sun, Maxine laughing in the crowded room. Two strangers sharing one short life, skyline shining, hearts in bloom. From Dubai to Mira, look how far you've come. In a world that kept on rushing, you were slowing into one. 8 months felt like forever in a single night. From a yes to a ring to your wedding white. From Dubai to Mira, your love turned into light.
I saw him.
Tiny flat,
I saw him one time and I was like, oh, you are really my husband.
talking dreams and old beliefs.
You know me.
Promise whispered, trembling hands. One small box on bended knee.
So guys, we really enjoyed our dinner. See how we were fighting with the steak. But yeah, the steak was so yummy. Tasted really good. Now this is Mira's food. I didn't want to blend the potatoes because if you blend the potatoes they become this slimy that I don't like. So I only blended the carrots and then I mashed the potatoes in. So it's a little too thick for Mira. So I'm going to add some more milk. And I'm also going to add a little bit of butter. This butter is so yummy as well. So good. Her daddy served her a piece of steak, so are you kidding me? She was awake the whole time. Oh shit. Yeah, she's gonna have to wake up because the food will get cold. But yeah, just gonna put some butter and some more milk and let it run. I want it to run. This is still too thick. But I cannot add cold milk now because the butter will stop melting. So I just want to melt the butter first in the warm mash and then I add the milk after. I hope it tastes nice. She likes carrots. It's the first time she's gonna try potatoes. Let's see. I don't think it was the best time to try something new since we just arrived today, but I should have just made only carrots. But the potatoes were just there, so I was just like, why not? Why not make her a full baby? Is there anybody else that feels weird tasting food with their own breast milk? It's a little weird, but I don't know. I don't stop still. I feel weird. I feel like, I don't know. I'm doing something that is not supposed to be done. Like an egg, like a chicken eating some eggs. This is exactly how I feel. But yeah, I have a little bit more milk for tomorrow morning when I make her breakfast. So yeah, because I don't like it this much. It's only because she was not drinking a lot in the plane. That's why I had milk. Okay guys, cheers.